Motorcycle riders, start your engines and join COBYS Family Services at our 25th annual Bike and Hike event on Sunday, September 12th at the Lititz Church of the Brethren. Head out on the highway with your fellow riders and follow a 65-mile course through beautiful northern Lancaster County and beyond. This year, rest stop is at peaceful Camp Swatara. When you return, you can enjoy a delicious ice cream sundae treat, all in support of the ministries of COBYS Family Services. We hope to see you there.